Search ChatGPT and click the first link or go to chat.openai.com. Now log in with existing account or sign up to create a new account. Navigate to the text input section and start writing. Now press enter or click the enter icon. ChatGPT will respond to you. Be specific with your question. Give more details to get better answer. You can also edit your question by clicking the pencil icon. After editing, click on Save and Submit button. You can give custom instructions to get more better responses every time without giving so much details about the question. Click on the profile to get additional settings and click on Custom Instruction. Give some useful information about yourself and give some instructions about how would you like ChatGPT to respond. Click Save to continue, and you will get better results. You can also delete chats by click 3 dots on any chat. Here you can delete, rename, share or archive the chat, and that is all you need to use ChatGPT to get information about everything.